Love guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Make sure to like, comment, and remember to subscribe, as our channel is now rapidly growing, mostly of our Samoan people as well as other ethnicities around the world who are enjoying our videos. So welcome. Today we're just on our way to the plantation to gather some stuff to prepare for the Sunday toonai tomorrow. So this is a usual thing here in the Samoan life, especially on Saturdays. So you gotta get the towel ready, get the luau ready, some coconuts, if you have any chores for the umu, some firewood. But you know, times have changed, and you know, because our plantation is quite far from the house, you know, I'd rather prefer to use my truck to get there and get the stuff ready for Sunday toonai, as opposed to back then when you'd have to walk. So yeah, times you know, times have changed, and you know, things are a lot easier nowadays. And yeah, it's a really good feeling to know that you know there are easier way to do things as opposed to the hard times. But those hard times, you know, they make people stronger, you know. But anyway, that's enough talking. I hope you guys enjoy the content today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, share our content, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. First things first, I gotta check that the cows have enough water in their trough, and then because that way to sustain them until tomorrow morning or evening. So I've got to check if they have enough water, and then after that I'm gonna go start collecting some coconuts for the luau. And then yeah, fortunately I forgot my keys to the fence gate. Looks like I'm gonna have to jump, find somewhere to get over the fence. Yep, looks like I'm gonna have to climb over the fence. Just gotta be careful in case the barbed wire doesn't clip your crotch. Oh yeah. Might need a new pair of pants after this. Gotta leave my shoes here because those aren't the shoes for the life here at the farm. Oh well. So see, there's still enough water here for the cows. Might have to clean that up soon. But yeah, so no need to add any more water. That'll be enough for them until tomorrow. So I'm gonna go start collecting some coconuts. leave that one here on the road so we can collect them on our way back. So when you're collecting coconuts, it's always good to give them a shake so you know if they've got any juice in them. Not sure if you can hear that. Yeah, that's a good sign. So leave that here. Have a look around here. You can see there's some good ones. No, that's too small. Another one to look out for is this, which is a yo'o, which is basically a growing coconut. One day we might have to collect all of these and replant them along around the farm, just so that we have more supply of coconuts in the future. This plant here is a pest inside our cattle farms. It's called waulapiki, so usually it's a good idea to cut these down while you're here and remove them. Well, what a cow do. See the cows. Yeah. So while we're here, might as well do a quick count. All the cows are here. Just keep looking around for some coconuts. And while you're gathering coconuts, an important rule when you're gathering coconuts is to always be aware of your environment. So what I mean is that sometimes you might get too carried away with collecting coconuts, that you forget that you're standing right underneath a coconut tree, and just like that. And what happens is, just in case coconut tree falls on your head, hits you in the noggin, and then say goodbye. So always be aware of your surroundings, especially when you're collecting coconuts here in Samoa. Sometimes it could lead to really bad accidents. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's one missing. Let me have a check. All right, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in the back. Alright, all cows are accounted for. Oh, look at the baby one. enough. And I've got a few there, and I'll collect one of them when I head back. I'm gonna tie these up and then yeah, head back to the car. I'm gonna show you guys how to tie these coconuts up as we usually do here in Samoa. Traditionally we'd have to have a strong stick to carry the coconuts, but fortunately I forgot to bring one, and I don't see any strong ones around here, so I'll have to carry them by hand. But usually use that stick to put the coconuts up and then carry them. So that stick's called amo. Oh, cow's getting annoyed. And then that's what we use to carry the coconuts. In our other episodes I showed you guys, we usually drive around here and collect the coconuts, but today, because it's a solo episode, I've forgotten my keys to the gate, so that's why we're going manual. So yeah, I'll show you guys how we do it. So first thing you want to do, get the coconut. See this bit? That's where you strike with the tip of the knife, and then bring out sort of like brings out that bit of the husk, and then you just pull onto it, and then that's what we use to tie two coconuts together. Sometimes it's a bit hard, so you got to split it in two and then pull harder. So there, see there? You grab another coconut, same thing. And then tie two coconuts together. Yeah, see? Easy peasy. Now what you can do is actually go up to 3, maybe 4, 5, 6, even 6 coconuts, tying them all together to make it easier. So that's what I'm going to do now, and quickly tie all these coconuts together, because I've got to collect a few more up that way. Still can't afford a camera stand at the moment, so you know, that's disadvantages of being a farmer is you never have enough money for anything you want. It's always money for the farm. All right, see, that's 3 there. Now what you can do is bring this 2 that I did before, and then sort of twist them all in together. So see, that's the knot for the 2, below is the knot for the 3, and then you throw the knot of the 3 coconuts over, and then that'll lock them all into place. Now you have one big knot, you just hold that, and voila. Alright, gotta get going. Now while you're here at the farm, it's always good to enjoy a bit of snack. I'll show you guys a common snack we eat here at the plantation, which is the old, or the coconut that's grown. I'll show you guys, we have one right there. All I did was slice it open with the knife. Voilà. It's yum. It's like a little baby. So guys, that's it from us today, just a short episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing big going on tomorrow. Probably do a soup and a little umu and a coconut for the pastrami. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.